So today I'm going to show you guys how to make the Necronomicon based on the one from the Evil Dead movie. So start by getting yourself an old hardcover book. I'm using an old sociology book. And then you just want to take a marker and roughly draw on the features of your face. They can be messy, it doesn't matter because they're going to be covered up anyway. So just draw on the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. And then you want to go over those with a hot glue gun. So trace right over the lines that you made. Again, it doesn't really matter if they're messy. It'll just kind of make it look more leathery. And so leave the insides of the eyes and the mouth and the nose flat, but all around them on the outsides, you just want to do a bunch of random flat hot glue lines. This will help make the book look like leather. So it's hard to see on the camera a little bit, but you can kind of see it sparkling in the light there, all the lines. And again, everything inside, like the mouth and the eyes and the nose, is flat. So then crinkle up a piece of tissue paper several times. And get yourself some glue. And then you want to lay the tissue paper over the top of the book. Kind of smooth it out, but make sure there's a lot of bends in it, because that'll help make it look like leather. So then dip your paintbrush in your glue. You're just going to paint the glue onto the tissue paper. Make sure the tissue paper conforms to the shape of the face. And let the glue make the folds in the tissue paper permanent. So here it is once I've got it all glued. You just want to let that dry. So once it's dry, just cut off the excess. It should be pretty easy because it'll be nice and stiff from all the glue. And so then coat the entire thing with brown paint. Make sure you get all the ridges and all the flat spots, just the entire thing. Coating of brown paint. And then once that's dry, you want to take a dry brush and go over anything that's raised with a little bit darker brown paint, so just a shade darker. So anything that's raised, all the folds in the tissue paper and the facial features. Once that's dry, dump some ashes or some flour and blow off the excess, and then just kind of smudge it in. It'll give it kind of dusty, old-fashioned look. So it looks like an ancient book. And so here is your Evil Dead book.
Wow! You wouldn't believe the stuff in this book. Ancient rituals, secret spells, painted Volkswagen buses. It's amazing.